So one of the challenges you'd have when you're running a restaurant or just starting a food business is getting customers, right? If you're in Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja as well, and places that there is Glovo, Glovo has this thing now where they're basically asking restaurants and food vendors to come and list their, their businesses on the app. So it means that people who use Glovo app will be able to discover your restaurant. People who live around the area as well will be able to discover your food business and they'll be able to order food from you. It's pretty straightforward, really. I've seen the ads on Instagram, I've seen the ads on Facebook. You can now list your food business on Glovo. But it's not just food business, right? If you own a pharmacy as well, I've seen pharmacy, I've seen supermarket as well. If you just own any of those services or products that are being offered through Glovo these days, just check out the Glovo app. Just check out the form here as well. Fill the form and Glovo will get back to you. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know if you have questions. I'll try to answer as much questions as possible. Yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know if you have questions. I'll see you. Bye.